So I'm going to show you how to fix 0009 error in Fortnite. So let's start. Now the first thing you need to do, go hit the Windows plus R hotkeys in your keyboard. After that, make sure to type in this command, %local updata and then %. Select OK. This will open. So make sure to look for the Epic Games Launcher folder. Here is it. Select it and then go to saved. From here you will find this webcache _4430. You just need to grab it like this and then put it right here. So basically you are going to delete it. After doing that, make sure to go to the Windows taskbar, select Task Manager. Now in the search, type in Epic Games. If you do find this Epic Games Launcher is running, select it, right click on it and then click on End task. That way you will ensure that the service is going to stop. Just wait for a couple of moments. After that, reopen the launcher once again. Once done, go to library. After that, search for Fortnite. Here is it. Once you find it, click on these three dots next to the name. After that, select this manage option. All you have to do is to click on this verify button right here, and all missing and corrupted files will be recovered and automatically fixed. You can check that by going to the download manager, and if you do find the Fortnite files are already downloaded, you will ensure that the problem is going to be fixed. And that's it. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribe and see you on the next one.